All right, hey guys, today we are going to talk about salinity. We make many different salometers, salometers, salinimeters. Everybody has a little bit of a different term for them. They're all relatively the same idea, and it's the amount of salt in a liquid. So these are being used by anybody who's maybe curing meats. They're making a brine solution for cheeses, fish tanks. This guy here is used for live lobster tanks, your home aquariums, things of that nature. We're testing the amount of salt in a liquid. So if this is something you guys are into, or maybe you want to dab a little more into one of these realms, definitely get a hold of us. We have these available. Just wanted to throw it out there and give you guys a little info today. So keep liking and sharing our videos. Get on our Instagram, our Facebook. I believe we even have a YouTube channel up now. So check it out.